Hey guys, how's it going? How to open 3D map in Google Maps. So you can click that double layer at the top right here, and you're gonna click the satellite, and you're gonna see a better visuals for buildings and all that. So you can you can zoom in, and you can, I think, go to the right like this, right, and see different angles for that building, right? And you can go and zoom a little bit in, right? And you can choose double layer again to choose if you want to see that terrain right here, which is another shape of seeing your specific location. And you can click the double layer to see the default as well. The default will allow you to see basically the locations a little bit better, but I choose the satellite because it is a better it's a better visual for seeing the buildings more clearly. So basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.